What's up, guys? So today we're installing this base bridge on my base, and you can see I already have some lines marked out here, and I'll walk you through how we get those. But right here is my scale line. These two lines are coming right off the edge of the neck, and this line is the center right down the middle of the fret line. And I put it on with blue painter's tape so I can drill my holes and then remove the tape, and then I will be able to put the bridge right on. So to get your lines, you just take a straight edge, run it right off the edge of your neck, take your line there, same thing on the other side, and that gets you these two outside lines. And then to get your middle line, you'll want to square it up with the nut, and you'll come down right down the middle of each of those dots on your fretboard, and then you'll just want to mark right there, and then you can pull it down and make a straight line off of that. So you make two marks on that, you'll have two dots you can connect and get a nice perfect straight line. So once you have all those marked out and lined up perfectly, by the way, this is a 30-inch scale, and to find the scale, you just take a tape measure, and you go right down here to your 12th fret, and you see mine is right at 15. So 15 times 2 to get your scale length, and that's 30 inches. So now we're going to install this, and the reason I have this line right down the middle is so I can line up the middle of my bridge. And I extended these lines out past the width of the bridge so that I can see exactly where I need to line it up. So right here, we have it perfectly level with that 30-inch line. And you can see here on my bridge that my saddles are about 3/4, in between 3/4 and halfway up. So that gives me extra room to adjust for intonation if I need it, which you probably will. So you line that up right on that 30-inch line, and then you mark your holes for the drill bit, and you want to make sure you got it centered vertically too. And now we have all those marked, and now we just drill our pilot holes. And then we can put our screws in, and that's pretty much it. Don't want to make sure you know the length of your screw, and you don't want to go too far to come out the other side of your base, depending on how thick it is. That's right there. And when you're drilling these holes, you want to make sure you have your drill bit as close to 90 degrees as possible. If you have a drill press, you can use that too. And there you have it. Bridge is attached. Looking pretty fancy.